Hi, my name is Bianca. Disclaimer, I have one working hand right now, so I'm going to do everything with my right hand. So I'm not very fussy, you know. My routine in the morning is very simple. I don't like putting on a lot of makeup. I like to be in and out. But what I do spend a bit of time on is my skincare, because I know spring chicken. I'm turning 32 in a month. I'm very proud of that, but I need to go to extra lengths now to really take care of my skin. So of course, when I was younger, I didn't pay much attention on what I was using on my skin. And then a couple of years ago, I developed an allergy to synthetic fragrances and dyes. And then I got chronic dermatitis on my skin. Anyway, so I'd always be searching for products that were, if not organic, all natural, but didn't have preservatives. And RDKL over here uses a natural alternative to synthetic preservatives. Those are the things that are usually very harmful and cause people a lot of skin allergies. So I can't take any synthetic preservatives either. So I've already washed my face, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the toner. So this is apparently different from other toners. You don't need a cotton pad to apply this, and it says in the back, glowing skin is always in, so tone it up and turn it on with this exclusive shape-shifting toner. Pump applicator into your hand and watch the gel change into liquid as you smooth over your face and neck, evening out your skin tone and leaving you with that natural glowy dew. Okay, I like glowy dew. Yep, it feels mild enough to put over my eyes. I like putting a lot of moisturizer around my eyes because I'm getting old. I have crow's feet. And I feel like it helps with the application of eyeshadow. Alright. Okay, and then next, we're gonna take a look at this jar. This is the serum. All that glitters is actual gold with this serum, and you'll want to use it on your face, neck, and the back of your hands. Once applied, 24K gold flakes not only add sparkle, but they also slow down collagen depletion, increase skin elasticity, and improve blood circulation. Use twice a day to remain forever young. I have never applied gold anything on myself. So let's see what this is like. It's hard having one hand, but you know, I make it work. Okay. Feels like it might be sticky, but let's see if it isn't. So what I know about, okay, I'm not very scientific, but what I know about collagen is that if you don't have much of it in your skin, it tends to like dry, and when it's dry, like you're more prone to getting wrinkles. So I think like I'm okay for a 32-year-old because I started putting a lot of moisturizer when I was maybe 28 or 29, so I caught myself just in time. Okay, so it's not sticky. Okay, so that has filled in my crow's feet. Okay, so for the moisturizer, it says, saturate your skin with a pump or two of this on your face, neck, and the back of your hands. What's it doing with the back of my hands? Well, I can't do that one. Providing instant hydration, this moisturizer is jam-packed with enriching ingredients such as blue light blocking superpower. From snaps to selfies and every screen in between, no one has time for tech face. So my understanding of this is this blue light comes from, you know, your laptop screens, your cell phones. And for me, every time I'm in front of the camera and there are harsh lights, that's what it means for me. That's why moisturizer is very important. I never ever skip that anymore, day and night. So in the complete care set, there's also a facial oil, but I'm going to skip this one today because I don't want to be too oily. And I want to have that feeling where my skin can breathe. So, okay, that was my skincare routine using RDKL. It's my first time to use it. I definitely see myself using that pretty often. Maybe not all at the same time. Like, I'll, analyze my skin for the day and think about which of the products that I need, but it's definitely worth it to get this complete care kit with a face wash, the toner, the serum, the moisturizer, and the facial oil. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. So this is me and my no foundation everyday look.